Good morning and thank you for inquiring about the Hyundai Accent. As you can see, I've got a beautiful blue one right here behind me. Comes with waterfall grille, wraparound headlights, fog lights. Also comes with alloy wheels, blind spot mirror. Let's take a look inside. As you can see, this has got plenty of space. Also comes with touchscreen, backup camera, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, voice recognition and Bluetooth. It also comes with America's Best warranty, 5 years, 60,000 mile new car warranty, 10 years, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty, which we exclusively double to 20 years, 200,000 miles at no cost to yourself. My name's Mark, so give me a call on 205 720 6581. You're going to love where you're treated here at Tameron Hyundai.